Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's video. It's a very special, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. And anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So in case you're new here, guys, please subscribe, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And guys, it's a kind of gloomy day. You can see from this side here, and from other side, and also from this side, and then from this angle. Totally gloomy, guys. So I want to take you outside there. So I heard my mama said the thief steal or robbed the kitchen garden outside there. So this one, guys, must be stopped. You know, since last night it's raining up to right now, guys. You can see I want to take you that way, guys. You know, so it tells you in future we need to have a perimeter wall which surround our compound, you know, to be secure our stuff here and there, right, left, center. So guys, I'm so disappointed on my behalf of my side because somebody's stealing kales, man. Imagine veggies, only veggies. You know, people should work so hard in our village here, putting something on table rather than coming at night, you know, because my dog is just taking care of you know, security inside here. So when it's raining, it's go inside the house. So I think that thieves come at midnight when it's raining, because the rain starts from midnight, so you can't maybe heard what's happening outside. So right now, guys, let me take you outside there, and then I will ask my mama. You know, man, I feel so bad. Also, I will ask my mama, guys, I just forgive them. If maybe you didn't see somebody, you know, you just forgive them. As long as they peel it, you know, they left another leaves, we can continue from there. But on my side, man, this is something bad, you know. So we have the water right now here, it's running, you know. At the same time, guys, on today's videos, I would go and check my friend's land. So let me say hello to you guys. I don't know what about my dog. When I'm not shooting the video, it just keep quiet, but when I'm raising my camera, man, it start making noise like whoa. Oh, right now it's keep quiet. Say hello to my people. Bruno, say hello. Imagine, guys, and my dog is growing so big. And let me take you outside, guys. You know, this is the carabat. That's how they make carabat inside the borehole, you know. So far so good. Maybe no, this is too much. Say hello. Right, let me take you outside, guys. Look, it's raining even up to now, and then it stop around 30 minutes, and then you see the signs it's supposed to rain again. Wow, look. No. Wow. So the kind of road. Wow, this is my bike, so I'll take you to other side. See? Alright, guys, my battery went off. I need to start again. Mama, come. So I want to know, you know, about my kitchen garden, because I had her complaining when I was around here. So we want to take you other side, you know, guys. That's my mama coming from other side, you know. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Hey, my mama need to be strong, guys, you know.
Hey.
She was strong, guys. Imagine. Right, guys, mama, she was taking me there, and also mama is at a kuni. Hey. Guys, imagine the story my mama even fire out, because we had a lot of fight. So mama, kesho ni Jumamosi. tunataka kukata kuni tuziweke ndani, because right now guys it's dry up. When it's wet nobody will steal it, but when it's dry people steal it, you know. So we have a lot of firewood here, and these are source of renewable resources that we have. But somebody came at night stolen, because our compound, it's like shagalabaga, it's not well fenced. You'll see. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You know, imagine guys, somebody to stealing, to store, or to steal. Maybe imagine guys, scales and firewood, you know. Aya. Hey. Oh guys, imagine. You see? They left only 2 leaves. Look. Something crazy. Look. Even from other side. Wow. Guys, imagine someone came and robbed my mama. Imagine, only kills, guys. Only kills. People from my village where I came from, they should work so hard. The way my mama working hard, I myself and all my family, the way they're working hard, you know, they need to stop, guys. They need to stop. But I think one day, mama, I'll put the perimeter wall here. Takuja kuweka ukuta hivi. Uende mpaka penye sukuma yako imefika, uende ushike kwa nyumba zako. So I'm telling my mama, one day if I finish building her dream house, I'll put a perimeter here, going straight, and then going where you see other trees, and then touch my mama house, and also from other side going that way touch also my mama dream house though, so they can be secure. All right, mama, you just forgive them, you know, as long as walichuna wakaacha ingine, no problem. So I'm telling mama, as long as they peel it, the rest they left there, so they can grow. But they need to stop it, to stop this, you know. I'm telling you. So guys, I'm heading Nyabuhansa to visit my friend's land. Stay tuned. But mama, you need to be strong. That one is a small things, a small issues, you know. Stealing people's veggies, you know, it's not make them to be rich, man. You be strong, man. Right? Alright guys, I'm just outside. So right now, I'm calling home, and I'm heading this way. Actually guys, I'm going to visit my friend Lance. You know, since I came from Mombasa, I think it's close to 1 month, so I'm supposed to go there to see how things it is. And you can see the maize, it's already on the process of harvest, so it shows the sign of dry up. So the moment it's dry up guys, but my borehole bring like take me back, you know. So I'll see guys, because the next person supposed to plant maize here is my brother. So I'll cut the trees, go there when it's a harvest season. Wow. So let's go. Maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? What about your mom's dream house? Guys, you know what? Take me back. You know, I was making some steps, but one thing bring me back. I see some eagle here. Wow. So I'm heading this way. I left my bike there. Wow, you see that birds right there. You see the black one. Oh, it's going that way. So let's go guys. I wanna give like 5 minutes my bike to be accelerate just over there. So me, I'm fully outside with full of joy, and today I think my mason will be arrived here, who making the carabat. So maybe people will ask, hello baby, I didn't see the carabat. Man, they construct that carabat inside the borehole. So even me guys, I wonder, maybe I will try my best. When the mason go deeply, I would go, and then a little bit I show you how the carabat looks like in the borehole. So when they arrived previous day, they told me, don't worry about this, just give us cement, all material needed, and we construct. I said okay. So the second borehole, we closed that chapter, like we cover it, you know. So I don't want maybe to have maybe another one it's open, and we have little kids around our homes there. They could run and play there with my sister and fall inside and then bring trouble. So I decided to cover that yesterday, and on today, I don't know, guys. I don't know, but we follow the vibe, you know. So let's move, guys. It's early morning. Let me check the time as we move, you know. Time is money. It's around 8. Let me check. It's around 8:59. Closely to. It's around. Let me say, guys, 1 minute past 3 o'clock, like 9 a.m. in the morning here. So I'm gonna take you this way and then heading to Nyabuhanse. So I'll never use that route because right now it's muddy, so I'm supposed to go that way and then meet the tarmac road on other side. So this way the road is just okay. So sometimes, guys, we wanna confuse with the duration of time. You know, when I'm in primary school, we learn Swahili. When I said 3 o'clock in the morning, I want to number 3. In English, it's 9. So it's 9 o'clock right now. I'm just outside here. So my bike is just right there. I think you can see the blue stuff from other side. That's my bike. I was left it to accelerate, so I realized when I was charging my phone when it's off, so the battery cooled down. Wow. So this is my bike here, you know. I love the blue stuff. It depends, maybe in future my house could be painted blue. So you heard? So I'm trying to left it to accelerate, you know. I think I'll change the bed. No, I don't want maybe like from previous days, like using the kick, you know, and also it's have a starter. So I think right now it's just okay. Well, okay, guys, it's time to go. This idea they've been cutting these trees, doing deforestation, but I see it's just coming up. You can see, guys, when you cut trees like this, it grows from other side. So the rest have been grown, you know. Wow. Take a U-turn. My bike, like that. Guys, don't mind. Okay. So I think it's time to go. Safe travel, guys. Oh my God, what's happening here? What's happening here? So right now, guys, instead of using this, and then this is another tricky station, guys. Now the battery is low, so I need to use this. Oh my god. That's the struggle, guys. You know? For sure. Right. Let's go. That's how morning looks like here in Africa, Kenya. You know, quiet morning. You know, while I'm in Mombasa, a time like this, it's so hot. But here it's totally cold. You know. Oh, that's the maize corn right here. Let's go. Woo. Okay. Guys, I didn't understand the problem about this bike. You know, I didn't understand. Maybe it's this one here. You know. Alright guys, we shall meet on the way. Let me consult with this bike. Alright guys, let's continue. So right now things have been okay. So that's how we go, guys. Subscribe to my channel, guys. You know. Wow, that's maize corn right here. Yeah, let's go. That's the KK right here. Life in the village, guys, so sweet, so simple, you know. Super amazing, guys. Wow. Guys, you can't imagine. I'm heading this way, but it takes me long going right that way and then branch. But if you use geographical method, I could go straight. It's like boom. I made my friends land on the other side. But I keep pushing using this route, you know. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Something amazing, guys. Beautiful nature you can see from other side, and I love that view from this side here. I don't know why. Let's go. Oh. Taking you along. That's a driving school right there. You know, if maybe one person wants to do a driving school, they will go in Bona Town. You know, there's a lot of driving schools. I think 2 places. Right. That's the cow. Sawa sawa. Okay, okay. We're moving, man. So I'm heading that way, right here. That's a truck right here, parking. Let's go and see, guys. Yeah, we have another road here. You can see, guys, by yourself. You know. Right, I miss this place, but right now I just back. You know. I'm back, guys. I know most of you have missed this place, but for the real sense, guys, I'm back. You know what? I'm back, guys. I feel like to leave my bike and then I walk, so let me return this bike up to stage there, and then I will continue, guys. You know, I feel to walk. You know, walking, it's somehow doing an exercise, guys. So I want to return this bike. I park one of my friends at Nebuhanso there, and then walking with you guys this side. All right, guys, I'm walking heading this way, and not every day on the motorbike. I feel like when I'm going this way, you see me clear because of the sun, guys. But let's move. You know, wow. People have really built, you can see a nice gate. You know, it really motivates me. Maybe one day I'll do such things like this back at my home. You know, that's cassava plantation right here. It's good. I'm using a shortcut, guys, because I left my bike on the other side. I don't want to make people see where I'm heading to. You know, I use a shortcut and then meet the main road on the other side, keep going. You know, I decide let me left my bike aside so I can walk. You know, wow, nowadays I feel my body it's somehow balanced, you know. So and then making some a little bit exercise as we go, guys. You know, wow. Subscribe on this channel, guys. It looks like a silver gate, but it's because of decoration. Napier grass on this side here, you know. Wow. Keep moving, man. Down here, people building, man. No jokes. Down here. we know a lot of panya routes here, like the shortcuts. We are amongst perfect people. Okay. Here we go. See the next one here. Alright guys, we're still going. Yeah. When I reach on other side within here, I take a U-turn. I say no. Supposed to make an exercise. No. I refused. No, cover grazing here. You wanna see down here. So we keep moving, man. Hey, those are pumpkin leaves within here. You know, things are growing natural here, guys, for sure. Perimeter wall for the privacy of other side, you know. And we're just over here, guys, learning things slowly. Wow. So maybe somebody watching these videos and then they don't know where I'm heading to. Actually, I'm heading down here, and then when I reach on the other side, I take a U-turn to my friends, one of my friends' land, guys, you know. Wow. At the same time, guys, I'm a caretaker, so I need to go there. You know, since I have been arrived in my village closely to 1 month, I haven't been there. So probably today I decide, you know what, I gonna go down. Yeah, man, I love this view. Actually, it's very nice. You know, you thought like I'm in another village, but this road, it's so popular, guys. I'm not the first guy to film this road, but it's popular to the world. You know, when I'm heading down, you know I'm heading too. Wow. So I left my bike, so other people don't ask me, hello baby, where is your bike, no, my bike I left in Nyabohansi. So I feel like today let's have a nature walk, you know, heading straight. You know, when I do like this, the best you can see me clear, but when I do like this, it's somehow black view. Yeah. Also, guys, there's a day watching my videos keenly. I asked one of a small young girl. I learned this also is a medicine. I'm telling you, maybe it's controlling blood pressure or washing blood. I don't know. But if you're watching my videos, we see that small parts. You know, I see a lot of plants. They told us it's treat, it's wash blood, it treats some how am I going to say, some UTI disease, you know, that keep and keep heading straight, you know. Go ahead. Oh guys, I use this as a shortcut heading to other side for the end right there. Oh my god, I haven't knew, so I will pass. The road have been closed, so let me go straight. Sure. They have been really cutting these trees, so I use the best way I can move to the other side, you know. Yeah, I'm heading that far end right there. So me, I thought everything have been cleared here, but they do deforestation, guys, you know. So I'm struggling to pass, I think, yeah, this side here. Okay. So let's go, guys. Finally, I managed to pass on the other side. I haven't knew that they have been cutting trees, you know. Yeah, at the same time, guys, it's the best way. I left my bike in my hands, so or else I will be struggling passing with my bike within here. Wow. So let's go. And then I pass through my Huguenots, heading to the other side. Guys, last time I was showing you these trees, it's Anphobia or Eucalyptus. But for me, I think it's Anphobian trees, you know. So at the same time, when by bad luck, when the snake bites you, you peel that one of the branches. It has the powerful milk, something like white, like a milk, and then you put where the snake bites you, and then it take out the poison. You see these trees here, guys? Comment, because maybe I'll zoom with my phone, and then later you'll see, guys. And then you comment, how do you call that trees? I think you see. Okay, so let me record a little bit on my phone, you know. Let's record on my phone, and then I'll put there, and then you comment on the comment section, guys. Guys, that tree is right here from bottom. That's how it looks like. You wanna comment? I think you see it clear a little bit, you know. Keep going. So that's my Unos place within here, and then it's next land that I'm heading to. That's Vira Rindima on the other side, you know. Let's go. We close the neighbor, guys, you know, after maybe some few distance, few meters apart, you know. So let's go, guys. For sure I miss this place. Right now things have been really transformed on this particular area. Guys, I'm keep pushing myself so to reach my target, you know. Every day it's to grind, go hard on my dream, you know, to grind. Wow. Yeah, things have been moving perfect. Oh my god. Let's go down here. Let's go down here and check how things it is. Okay. Wow. Oh, well, yeah, super amazing, man. You know. Wow. Welcome to my friend's land. It starts from here, going up to that way, guys. You know, it's been long, but first thing before I go there, I'm gonna check the bricks within here. You know. Wow. Look at these beautiful flowers here, guys. Wow. And it attracts some insects, you know, like bees to come here. Also some green belly, you can see, man, you know. Maybe in Africa you want to touch something like this, and then scientifically you didn't know, maybe it's a medicine, you know. For us, we just believe it's a normal trees, and then like that, things like that. Also have some construction material here. You can see, I think it's 2 lorries, but I'm not sure of that. But for the real sense, you see by yourself. Also down here we have the sand. You know, we have the sand, and I realized the first sand that I bought when I was on the way going to Mombasa, the first lorry, the sand was not good. So I have been taught the second trip is good. So I'll talk with my guy who brings the sand to my site, so they can able to rectify that mistake. So they have already been closed here. So this is the bricks, guys. You know, it's a lot, and I'm covered by the polythene paper. And the crazy thing is, without cover these bricks, it gets spoiled. You know, the rain will affect them. But the good thing about blocks, man, when it's raining, it's staying there. Somebody was sharpening here some trees. Wow, it's bigger stones. It's bigger stones, man, for the construction. You know, it's bigger stones. Wow. Yeah. Let me show you guys. You see this is the sand here? This one. The sand. Wow. And I thought, guys, for the next, my neighbor, I thought the land had been sold, you know, within here. If maybe somebody wants to enlarge, you want to enlarge, and then you push it to the other side. Wow. See, things have been really spoiled from here. This is supposed to be on this side. Maybe like this. I think like this. No, like this. But it has a little bit water. You see, from the ground right there. Wow. The crazy thing, this door is very small. Even somebody can't pass here. Very small. When you compare with mine, it goes there twice. You know. Let me check. Hey, Buyore. Yeah. What have been going? Let me testify. These stones. Guys, it's a lot. Wow. Last time I burned some rubbish, And that being said, guys, I'll search about my next, my neighbor. I'll make a search. I have been told that the land have been sold next that way. See, maybe to enlarge, and my land looks bigger, or our land looks bigger, going to further end, going down up to other side. You see that trees, you see that tree right there. So from the markable, they want to be sold. Wow. So things have been really changed here. Like this one just to uproot. Yeah. I think next time I'll come here is to trim or to slash out this place, and then looking very nice. But right now it's just okay. But I see some little stuff, like this one here. And I'm supposed to check whether somebody have been blocked. The padlock, you see inside here is a padlock. Yeah, something heavy. I think I'll buy another padlock to put outside here. So guys, may think I have already visited this place, so it's time to go back. Let me keep it this. You can't imagine there's another stones here, another one there. We have another one right there at the back of the house. So I need to push it one day to this side here. Wow. So guys, it's my time to go back home. Please guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe on this channel. Like, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So I'm keep going back home. Spend a day with you back to my home. I'm so tired, guys. So tired. I'm tired like a goat. Tired like a goat. Bora.
Hello, babe.
Babe.
Yeah.
Popo.
Na shoot tu.
Mimi na shoot.
Mimi nimewatembelea huku kwenyu Nyabohansi.
Una lini sherehe?
Ati?
Una sherehe lini?
Sunday.
This Sunday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Talk
Down
me.
here?
Yeah.
Maybe.
So,
introduce yourself.
guys, this is Finding Ian in Nyabohansi, guys. Just checking things around here to see how things are here.
Okay.
Yes, guys.
How was your house? I see you are really doing a nice job.
My house is good. I'm fencing right now. I'm putting perimeter on.
Outside?
Yes.
For the privacy and security?
Yes.
Oh.
Me, I have finished interior design.
I was watching your videos.
Finishing, I've done. I'm completed.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not an easy thing, bro.
Man, it's hard.
Building.
It's hard.
Hey, me I'm taste.
You feel like crying.
Not crying. In terms of material, but the good thing about me is to collect material. When I finish that, is to start the house up to the rental.
You just start one way.
Yes, one way.
Keep pushing.
Yes, I don't want maybe it reach here and then next step here. No, it's to push up the rental and then start working on roofing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Congratulations. You keep pushing.
Yes.
You know.
What about your suggestion? Should I put hidden roof or roof, other normal roof like this one here?
Like that one there.
Yes, down there.
That one. If you have money, put that one. But if you don't have a lot of money,
put hidden.
Hidden roof.
Yeah, me. One day we ask my mama. If, my mama didn't know about hidden roof.
Yeah.
I'll show him in my picture, and then other roof, normal roof, and then I'll see which one
You show,
Yes.
show her hidden and you say you want this one.
I know hidden didn't
Yeah.
take a lot of iron sheets.
Yes, it doesn't.
Yes.
Even timber
Mm-hmm.
is very less timber.
I'm thinking
Yes.
that.
As long as you get a good fundi.
Mm-hmm. Like
One
you
way.
get a good phone.
Yes, me I
It's
got
not
a good.
leaking.
No.
Okay.
Since the day we put iron sheets until today.
Oh.
Yes, even there was something we went to check the day before yesterday, and we had to remove like 2 iron sheets, and we returned the iron sheets, no leakage.
That's an good engineer.
Yes.
Okay, me, I'm heading home.
Okay.
So I'm going to check whether my mason have already arrived.
I'm around. I'll see you. I'm here until.
I was watching your videos. Yeah. Okay, let me go back home, bro.
Okay, guys, subscribe. Okay.
Okay. Bye, bro. Well, guys, so I'm rushing go back home to see whether my mason have already arrived. So I shoot these videos very in the morning, and while everybody was sleeping, maybe, I don't know. Me, I just wake up, holding my camera, and then shoot the videos. Boom. Now this cow, it looks like aggressive, but I don't know. On the next side, there's a good church, SDA. You know, if you're Adventist, there's a good church within here. Wow. And I want to say thank you for those people who supporting the church. That's the dog running. Yeah. Man, walking from the Buhans up to here, back here I was walking from my home up on this place, but nowadays it's somehow difficult to me, but I'll try to manage. I will walk, you know, I will walk. Let's move. I will walk. Let's walk, guys. So more. Sure. Yeah. Job. Introduce. Naona shamba. Kama nitakuja nikuje kufyeka. Yes, naona imetokea.
Check out baby. Coming from us here. Show love, subscribe, give a video like. Amazing guys.
Kama hapa fundi kama vaachere. That's Uncle Mo. That's Uncle Mo, guys. You know. Yeah. Corner shop within here. Yes. We are closely family members, guys. Within down here, we are family members up to nowadays. But I stay maybe some distance a little bit. You know, by riding a motorbike, it's around 10 minutes. I'll be here. You know, not a long distance. So let's keep pushing. You know, chase my dream every day, shooting my videos, upload, and get new subscriber, maybe per videos. You know, if I get 5 people share my link to maybe 50 people, that's around 250 subscriber per day. I will appreciate, guys. You know, right now I'm aiming 10,000 subscriber, guys. You know, my channel could be shining, guys. Wow. Guys, I'm so tired like a goat, for sure. I'm tired like a goat. You know. Oh. Let's congrats mom's home. We didn't hear. Or Dave Junior's home. You know. Whew. So guys, I'm rushing to check my bike because I left in Nyabuhansi to create these videos for you. At least push some minutes, you know. Wow. So me, I wanna say thank you everybody for coming on this channel, watching, advise me accordingly, and I said thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. So that's Mama Anne's home. You see? Wow. Guys, finally I finished the tough place. You know, coming back, it's somehow hilly. You know, but going down, slope, all slant. You know, I didn't use a lot of energy like walking. So that's how hidden roof coming in good shape. You see how this house have been constructed. That's how hidden roof coming in good shape. You know, yeah, my mama didn't know about hidden roof, or my mama know about maybe the normal roof like that one there, but in terms of hidden roof they didn't know about that. You know, maybe one day, even you, my good subscriber, you try to advise me, should I build hidden roof house or normal house, like roofing house, like on the other side that you see, you know. But let's see, guys, the day is coming. The day is coming. The day is coming, you know. And I remember all my videos, it's about positivity, guys. No negative videos, no negative comments, guys. Please, positive vibe always win, you know. Same time, guys, let me go back home to enjoy my breakfast. I don't know what my mom prepared for us, but I know sometimes it's a normal day. Maybe in our house we find chapati, sometimes we find githeri. So githeri is a Swahili word, means the mixture of beans and maize corn. You get githeri. Or sometimes you find rice and beans. You don't know. Sometimes we eat plain tea with nothing, you know. Well, these are sharp corn. I normally respect this corn. So sometimes, guys, I realized when I eat bread every day, that's the reason why I gain weight. So nowadays I avoid to eat too much bread, you know. I found brother Dagi. You see the guy is coming from this angle. Hey.
Bossy.
Okay, how are you?
I'm good, my friend. How is everything?
Everything is good.
Guys,
What is
welcome.
this?
This is the painter. This is painter.
Where do you taking?
Here at Amaro area.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello guys, my good name is Brother Dagi. Welcome again at Hello Baby YouTube channel. I'm also a content creator from East Africa, Kenya. I'm going by the name Brother Dagi, guys. You can go check me there. You can subscribe, like the video and share to your friends, and also support young people from this village. One love to you. I'm heading somewhere, guys, and a little bit I have found Hello Baby
Say
here.
where you are heading to, because I was coming from this place.
Amaro area.
Amaro area?
Yes.
Specific?
Yes.
Specific?
Yes.
Unaenda wapi? Ambia
Sinaenda
watu.
hapo. Kwani nataka niseme na
If you are going to congrat mom, said you are going to congrat mom. If you are going to Uncle Mo. Kasongo. Tutaonana. Right. You know, sometimes you want to be specific, you know. Like, man, me, I was telling him, I was coming from other side down. But maybe for his own privacy, let's them go. Wow. So I think, guys, we shall meet on the next videos, which is coming soon. So guys, stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm just back home, and let me see, guys, you know. Yeah, no signs for the engineer who working on my borehole. Maybe, guys, they give them enough days to be dry up. No, but for the real sense, I think they're supposed to come today, guys. Hey, I hope maybe you can see the caravan. Oh, it's deeply, guys. So I'm trying one of these days when they arrived. You'll see, guys. And at the same time, I'll build this place to raise up a little bit, and then we create the cover on top. We put, as long as maybe of anything is to remove, we put aside, and also the door is just over there, and then we'll see, guys, those decoration. Me, I just take things outside. I thought the mason all engineer will be arrived, but they didn't arrive. You can't imagine, guys, you cover this borehole within here, you know. So let me see my mama on the other side, you know. Hey, I will ask, maybe the mason arrived, I don't know. I will ask my mama. Yeah, my mama shows waiting these guys. Yeah. Look, guys, how it looks so nice, so green. Mama, tira akori bisagi. Sikuma, ukurigi bisagi tu imi. Ma, muitambache babo afutamu. Hey, bachitusa kore maha hajuiga. Tukuma ukiburu mutego gorenge. Turahita nyuma yaho. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's my African mom. Mango korunda hara hete ngo kona hara. Yeah, mango kona hara. Pate merege teho. She was waiting, guys. This is a small garden, you know. It helps us, you know. We mix with we mix with eggs, you know. Sometimes meats, you know. But we didn't. I'm not a fan of eating eggs and meat, you know. I'm a fan of vegetable, you know. So he must dig carefully, guys, you know, no pressure like crashing in and out. How are you sleeping? Thank you for coming. Mani ya kupanga hamu lakini nombu yeri mahatu ngiri mpaka kaya mitego ni sirengi kubiseke kupya handa panto wani choparache bache
Nina igure bara gutebya chuma biri siwo kongereko
tuma mpaka konge
Nina bara gamba ya
Kuni kisima
ande chuma biri
kuni kisima patache ko kihara shingara. So me, I'm telling Mama, I thought the engineer of the ball would be arrived today. Mama said they had on that day, the engineer said they'll be here on Saturday or Sunday. Those 2 days. Let me wait them. Why baby nyanya na rasa risu kumasasa.
Ngachi yana ande chahenga.
Ne rasa ri tokuma kamera sasa hara yare kunora. Usikama mwisho hara. Hana kuhera utoro hisukumet iyo tabi sababu ikiri. Isikumana ya teta. African mom with the tank. Mama, chai iko. Like
Nyane.
I'm asking my mama, there is tea? Me, I'm so hungry. I just pull up back home, you know, and I found my mama in a small kitchen garden. I have, yeah? Okay. I thought to enlarge the kitchen garden to the other side. Maybe in the future when you remove this, you put more cares. Alright guys. Yeah. This is what I'm calling home, man. I love this nature. A lot and a lot. Wow. But I don't want to joke with Muram, guys. This one here, I said no. We never return it back. Maybe use this one here. You know this one, recently time we dig where we place the tank, and then this one I store it around here. Mama rero baraba stamu batire nyumba jioni muita Can I want to buy half time? Yeah, I'm telling my mama today some students they have been given half time for a couple of 3 to 4 days or 1 week, whichever the case. So we're supposed to take this firewood inside the house. Probably maybe by tomorrow. That's the work, you know. I shall wake up with a pang and my brother. We cut it, we take it to the house. So probably I realized at night people storing the firewood at night. So thief here at night. That's the reason why we close even the door of that toilet there. So thief, they must stop this. You know, we have a lot of firewood here. When it's not dry up, when it's wet, nobody will touch it. But when it's dry up, we wake up today, we found people stolen this firewood here. Oh my god. All right. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next vlog. Guys, this axe here, so it helped me hammering this peg. So I'm going to take the car to the grazing point. It's 2-2, you know, 2-2. At the same time I helped my mama, so I had to take out the jacket. Wow. I think I should go with 1-1. Probably let's do this, guys. You know, I had one of the people said, oh, why didn't you help your mama? You know, sometimes I help my mama, guys. So I think I'll start with this one. Let me go with 1-1. Because when we say 2, other car will run here and there, right, left, center. No, let's go with 1-1. No. I hold the peg and axe like that, and I start pulling the car. No, stop it! I'll come there. I wanna take this bigger. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, it's good to have cows around at home, you know, like this. People say, hello baby, you should help your mama. Man, sometimes I do things off camera, you know. Not everything putting on camera is supposed to go this, no. So, okay. So let's see. Come on. Wow. Not everything putting on social media, you know. Yep. So let's go, guys. I'm gonna see the best place where I can tie this cow, and then it's will graze up, guys, you know. So first thing that we want to know whether the cow will graze at one point is to release it to graze up. Yeah. Achana na vingine hapo, tutarudi nichukue. So I think I should take this cow down, you know. Heading down with the cow, so taking them to the grazing point. It's going to the grazing point. Huh? Quite a core. My arms slowly on my face down. Even here, guys, the cow will graze. Let me see. Let me testify. Yeah. Here it's ready. Me, no matter what, let me put it here. Show them. Yeah. Show them here. Show them here. Strategy change. And then that's how we tie to the cow. You see, we do like this. Oh my god. Yeah. You must tie to them carefully. Show them down here. Because I don't want problem. You see it's pulling. Pulling now. So the best way I can do, just like the best way I can do is to adjust, no? Is to adjust. Oh my god. These things, I must learn these things, you know? Do like this. Village boy, born and raised in Africa, Kenya, guys. Yeah. After doing like this, show them here, like this, guys, and then you do like this, adjusting, you know. Do say, tell me. Bingani. Okay. I think right now it's the best way, guys, So I'm going to take another one. I left this axe here because I'm bringing the rest of the cow. So let's go. Go have them. Okay. So guys, let me go and bring the rest of the cows. You know. I'm not leaving fat as well. I see another one is grazing here. Wow. Yep. Whew. Since yesterday up today, the weather is not good. You can see from other side, you know. And you can see even blackjack touch my trousers. That's my aunt right there, sister to my dad. So yeah, so let's bring the rest, you know. Another one are grazing here. Yeah, I left the peg here, so I'm going to pick, I think right now I'll go with 2 cows, so the rest I'll come to pick 1 cows. This is the maize corn here. Oh man, yeah, purely white. And then we get ugali. That's pure hard working from my African mom, you know, within here. So yeah, we just hard working guys, for sure. I can't complain that. So I'm gonna take another one. I think I'll go with those 2, the first one and the second one, right now off camera, and then we shall meet when I'm taking them to the grazing point. So I left the peg here. Yep, look at this, it's relaxing here. Man, I love this cow, you know. This is the most beautiful cow that I love it, and it's a bull one, you know. The veterinary came here one day, said, oh, they told me, Mama, you must sell for me this cow when it was young. And then I said, no ma'am, let me give you money. So this one here, it belongs to me, you know. This one, it belongs to me. I think when I get money, I'll buy the bigger rope so it can able to graze easily. See this one? Wow. You know, a cow like this, it will go around $350. Trust me. This one that you see here, you know. Wow. So let me take this to the grazing point. To the grazing point. Alright guys, we shall meet on the next place down there, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I think this is the last cow, so I'm going to take the remaining one at home, you know? So I left this stuff here, so it's grazing. You can see right now they're enjoying. So I've already tied another one there. So guys, we do it in local way. We came with the cow in a grazing point. When it starts grazing like 10 minutes at one place, you tie that cow there, you know. So they didn't like other grasses here and there. So let's go back home. I take the remaining one. Wow. Wow. I'm going to take the remaining calf right there to end my day. So today I will end these videos by doing rotational grazing of the cow here and there. You know, on my side, I think the best way, this is a septic tank right here. We have the toilet separates, guys. You know, wow. So yeah, that's how I end my videos, with a good vibe, you know, from my village. You see, the masons start using this sand. They told me this one here, something else. I didn't understand between this and that. Yeah, this one is somehow I don't know. Wow. This is my money that I spent doing videos, you know. Have this side here. Yeah, if you go harder on your dream, man, things will be possible. See, chicken everywhere. From other side right there, you see some hens this way. So I think this is the last that I'm taking to the grazing point. Let's go. Yeah. This one I will left this car for the show. You see, there's a hen here. Okay, let's go. Yep. I will end my videos down there. I'll show all of the cows that I'm taking there, step by step, because we have the maize. I don't like to go with all of them. They can disturb me. Oh, see, there's maize here. No, hey. Something crazy, guys. Here. So I left the peg here. I was supposed to take this peg. Okay, guys. It's time to go down. This village life in Africa, Kenya, guys. You know, we normally do like that. Pulling off the cow is a normal thing. You know. That's the baby for that cow right there. Alright guys, thank you so much for the love and support. In case you're new here, subscribe. So today is a gloomy day. If you didn't see enough lights, you can see from other side. So please check out Felicitas on YouTube channel. I really appreciate, and also check out the Virginia guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Bye.